When Bricsys 24/7 has helped you complete a project with simple yet powerful collaboration and documentation management tools, Handover is often thought of just another box to check or task to get through. Although much of it does happen at the end of a project, it's a continuous process with multiple stakeholders that spans across the project lifecycle. Individual documents are handed over through workflows and guided to correct folders, where a high-quality digital handover package can be created. Forget spending days, weeks, or even months printing drawing sets, manuals, certificates, and more. With Bricsys 24/7, you have all handover data in one place, including O&M manuals, warranty information, certificates, and inspection reports or checklists. You have a full archive of project data in a readable format, with no need to pay to access your past project data. And it's available to multiple members of the project team if needed, through secure USB or alternative cloud storage. This can generate savings in preventative maintenance and time over the life cycle of the asset. Forget the binders. Go digital.